Here is a video tutorial on how to replace or remove Peugeot 208, 308, 3008, 2020 to 2024 key fob battery in 3 easy steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. 1. Remove the key fob cover using a flat blade screwdriver or something flat and thin. We didn't have a flat blade screwdriver, so we decided to use a knife. Peugeot 208, 308 and 3008 is using a CR2032 battery for the key fob that you can find it in the video description below. 2. Remove the battery and replace it with a new one. Replace the battery in 1 minute max, otherwise your key fob can lose synchronization with the car. Three. Place the cover back on the key fob. If you have other ideas for new Peugeot tutorials, write to us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.